Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're here with your girl Jamaican Kim. So today I'll be doing a challenge video. I was actually challenged by Kenisha. And guys, she has a really awesome channel, and I want you guys to go and check it out. I'm gonna put her link down below in the description. Please go and check her out. Alright, so I was challenged to do the 40 question, so I'm just gonna get right into it. But before I do so, I am going to tag 6 persons that I want to do this challenge. Okay, so I have my list right here. So I'm gonna tag Modest Nation. Yeah girl, you. Modest Nation. Proud Mixed Child. Niqua Nice. That Girl Cleo. Anisha and Friends. And With Love Q. Yes guys, so I'm tagging you all to do this challenge. Okay, and I'll be looking out for that video. Alright guys, so let's get into this video right now. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. We're on our way to 400. So yes guys, so stay tuned. Let's get into this. If you hear any noise in my background, you guys know I have my fan on. Yes, so I have my questions here with me. So the first question is, do you like blue cheese? I have never tried blue cheese before, so I don't know if I would like it or not. I've never tried it before. Coke or Pepsi? Well, I don't really love soda. I don't really drink a lot of sodas, and those aren't my favorite flavors of sodas. But if I'm to choose between the two of them, I would probably choose Pepsi. Alright, are you in a relationship? Yes, I'm in a relationship. I am actually married. I am married for what, I think 6 years. I think 6 years. I'm gonna have to check on that. The time is flying too fast, guys. Yes, I'm in a relationship. Whiskey, tequila, or vodka? I am not a drinker, so I cannot choose none of those 3. I don't drink alcohol like that. Hot dog or cheeseburger? Well, I like hot dogs, but I think I would prefer the cheeseburger. Yeah. Favorite food? So my favorite food is, I love stew peas actually. Yes, I love stew peas. From when I was a younger girl, my dad used to look about it a lot, and I really enjoy it. Jamaican people have this saying that when your woman cooks stew peas for you, they might try to tie you. They're trying to tie you. Like, I don't know if you guys understand me. Yeah, but nothing like that. So my husband always trouble me when I look about the stew peas and say, I try to tie me. So, oh please, I'm already tired already. Yes guys, so yeah, stew peas is actually my favorite food. What do you drink in the morning? Well, I like to drink coffee, but I haven't been drinking any since lately. I mostly drink tea, chocolate tea, milk tea. I really enjoy drinking fever grass tea. What is one of my favorite teas to drink, especially like when I have a cold. I drink a lot of fever grass. I really love the smell of the fever grass, even if I'm not drinking it. I really enjoy fever grass. Yeah, and it's good for you. So yeah. Can you do 100 push-up? No. I can try and do two. I can try and do two, but no, I can't do 100 push-up. My favorite season. Alright, so I live in Jamaica. So you know Jamaica is a hot place. So I think the only season we get here is summer. I don't know. But I don't really love it when the time is too hot. I like it when it's cool, you know, not too hot. And I don't know if I can manage cold because I'm not used to the cold. So I don't know. So I just prefer a cool season, you know. Yeah, but we mostly have just summer we have here. Yes, so let me get into the next question. My favorite hobby. Well, I really enjoy doing YouTube, so YouTube has become my favorite hobby. Yes, I really enjoy doing YouTube. So do I have any tattoos? I actually do. I have three. I have three tattoos. Yes. Do you wear glasses? No, I don't wear glasses, but maybe pretty soon because I do have a little trouble with my eyesight, so maybe. But I don't wear glasses. But I think I should be wearing them. Alright. Phobias. Well, my phobia will have to be I am scared of heights, and I do not like close area like passageway, or if I'm to do like a trip to go like in a cave or something like that, I think I would have a panic attack. I don't like close area. I don't like it. And I do not like the dark. So yes. My nickname or nicknames. Well, Kim is actually one of my nicknames, and my family members would call me Nardia, but Kim is actually my nickname, my main nickname that I use on social media because I don't really use my real name on social media, right? Favorite candy. I don't eat a lot of sweets, but I really do enjoy eating melon. There's a melon sweetie that they sell here in Jamaica. It's so good. Melon, it has like a nice melon flavor. It's really nice, but I don't really eat a lot of sweets and stuff. Yes. Do you believe in ghosts? Do I believe in ghosts? Well, I've never seen one, so I don't really know, but I do believe that ghosts is real, but I've never seen a ghost. So my biggest downfall, I don't think I've had a downfall. Biggest downfall, I don't think I have a downfall. I don't think so. Well, not that I can think of right now. I don't think so at all. Rain or snow. Well, I've never experienced snow, but maybe one day soon, so I'll have to go with rain. Next question. Piercing. Actually, I only have my ears pierced. My ears is pierced, but otherwise some that I don't have no other piercing. I really wanted to get my nose pierced. I have a spot right here on my nose, and from I was a little bit younger, most people thought that my nose was pierced, but it's actually not. It's just like a spot, so it's not pierced. Yeah, so I only have my ears pierced right now. My age, I am 30. Yes, I am still pretty young. I am 30 years old. French fries or onion rings? Well, I prefer French fries because I've tried onion rings already and it's really nasty. Forgive me for those of you all who love onion rings, but that's just my opinion on it. I think onion rings are not good at all. I mean, I love to eat onions, but like on sandwich or on, like whenever I look about escovitch fish, I use a lot of onions, or like a burger or something. But I don't like onion rings. It's just like I'm just eating only onions. That doesn't taste nice at all. So I don't know. I prefer French fries. Next one. Kids. I have one child. I have one daughter. Yes. My favorite color. Well, I like black, and I'm not sure if black is a color, but I do like black. But otherwise, from black, I really love green. As you see, my background is green. My room is painted in green. So, green is actually one of my favorite color. Yes. Can you sing? Actually, I can sing to please myself. I don't know if I can sing to please others. But yeah, I can sing. I'm not going to put myself down. I can sing, but not everybody is a singer, right? Can you whistle? Yes, I can whistle. But when I was growing up, my dad always told me that girls must not whistle. So I don't really do whistling, but I can whistle. Yes. Where were you born? I was born here in Jamaica, St. James, Montego Bay. Yes, born and grow here. Siblings. Yes, I do have siblings. I have about 4 brothers and 1 sister, but not same mother and father. Can you cook? Yes, I can cook. I can cook, but I'm not a chef, but I can cook. Can you swim? No, I cannot swim. I cannot swim, guys. Are you religious? I do believe in God, the creator. Yes, I do. Shower or bath? I prefer showers. I prefer showering, yes. Do you like a big city or nature? Well, I do enjoy being out in the nature and stuff, but to live, I think I would prefer city. I think I'd prefer city. Are you a good friend? Am I a good friend? I think so. Of course I'm a good friend. I think so. I'll have to check with my friends and ask them. But I think I am a good friend. Broken bones. No, I don't have any broken bones. How many TVs do you own? Well, I own 2, but only one is working right now, so I'll have to say 1. Worst pain ever? Labor pain. Labor pain was the worst pain ever. Trust me, it was the worst pain ever. Yeah, worst pain ever. Do you like to dance? Yeah, I love move up my body now and then. Do you like camping? I've never been camping, but maybe I would like it. But maybe then again, I probably be scared. Maybe like of centipedes and other crawling insects and stuff. I'd be too jumpy, so I don't know if I would enjoy the camping, but that would be interesting for something that I've never done before, you know. But maybe I'd be scared. I don't know. Are you weird? Well, I think everybody have a weird side of them, so yes, I'm weird, I guess. So I hope you guys all enjoy my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and I will catch you again in my next video, guys.